In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a business account on Amazon and how to fully set up your Amazon business profile the correct way. This tutorial is beginner friendly and you do not need any previous experience. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to open your account, verify it, and configure all the important settings so you can use Amazon Business without any confusion. First, open your browser and go to Amazon. On the Amazon homepage, scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you will see a link that says Amazon Business. Click on that link. This will take you to the Amazon Business website. On this page, you will see an option to create a free account. Click on Create a free account to begin. Amazon will now ask you to sign in or create a new account. If you already have a normal Amazon account and you want to use it for business purchases, you can sign in with the same email. Amazon will give you the option to convert that account into a business account. If you want to keep your personal and business purchases separate, it is better to create a new account using a business email address. Enter your email address and create a password, then continue. Next, Amazon will ask you to verify your email address. Check your inbox for the verification email from Amazon. Open it and click on the verification link. Once your email is verified, you will be taken back to the Amazon Business Setup page. Now, you need to enter your business information. Start by typing your business name. This can be a registered company name or a small business name if you are a sole owner. After that, enter your business address carefully. Make sure the address matches any documents you may use later for verification. Then, enter a phone number. Amazon may send a code to this number to confirm it, so use a real number that you have access to. After this, Amazon may ask for tax-related information. This depends on your country. In some countries, Amazon asks for a tax identification number or a business registration number. If you have one, enter it carefully. If you are a small business or freelancer and you do not have a tax number yet, Amazon usually allows you to skip or complete this later, depending on your location. Follow the instructions shown on your screen. Once the tax details are entered, Amazon will ask if you want to import your existing account details. You can choose to import your address and other information from your current account, or you can skip this step and enter the details manually. After this, Amazon will offer a 30-day free trial of Business Prime. You can choose to start the free trial or select No Thanks if you do not want it. Once the business details are entered, you will move to the payment setup. Here, you need to add a payment method. This can be a debit card, credit card, or, in some regions, a bank account. Enter the payment details carefully and make sure the name and address match your business information. This payment method will be used for business purchases, but you can always add or change payment methods later. After adding your payment method, Amazon may start a verification process. In many cases, this is automatic and only takes a few minutes. Sometimes, Amazon may contact you by email or phone to confirm your business details. They may ask for simple documents such as a utility bill, business registration paper, or tax document. If this happens, just follow the instructions in the email and upload the requested files. Once your account is approved, you will be logged into your Amazon Business dashboard. At this point, your business account is active. Now it is important to set up the profile properly. Go to your account settings and review your business information. Make sure your business name, address, and contact details are correct. This helps avoid issues later. Next, you can set up users if you have a team. Amazon Business allows you to add multiple users under one business account. You can give them different roles, such as admin, buyer, or approver. This is useful if you want to control who can place orders and who needs approval before buying. If you are working alone, you can skip this step. You can also set spending limits and approval rules. This is optional, but very useful for businesses. You can decide how much can be spent and whether orders need approval before they are placed. These settings help you control your budget and avoid unnecessary spending. After this, take some time to explore the Amazon Business features. You will see business-only prices on many products. You may also see quantity discounts when buying in bulk. These prices are often lower than normal Amazon prices and are one of the main benefits of using Amazon Business. It is important to understand that an Amazon Business account is mainly for buying products for your business. If your goal is to sell products on Amazon, this is a different account called Amazon Seller Central. An Amazon Business account does not allow you to sell products. Many beginners confuse these two, so make sure you know which one you need. Before finishing, go back to your account settings and review everything one last time. Make sure your email notifications are turned on so you do not miss important updates from Amazon. You can also customize your purchasing preferences to match your business needs. At this point, your Amazon Business account is fully created and set up. You can now start buying products, accessing business pricing, and managing purchases in a professional way. Take your time to explore the dashboard and get comfortable with the features. If you want to start your own business, using an Amazon Business account is a smart way to organically drive sales for your business.